Hi guys, Katie from Snooper here again. So this is our Truckmate Plus S5100 model. So this is of course our satellite navigation for trucks and commercial vehicles. So today we'll be unboxing this and showing you what is inside. So first of all, when you open the box, you will see you have got your 5-inch screen sat nav here. And then underneath this will be all of the accessories which are within the box. So you have your in-vehicle charger. You of course as well have the windscreen mount. So your sat nav will fit onto this bracket. And you have your USB cable, and this is to obviously plug your sat nav onto your computer to do any updates. And then right at the bottom of the box you will see you have an important information card and a first use guide to set up your sat nav, and this is in English, German and French. So you'll be able to go through and see all the features of the sat nav, how to use them, and any additional information you may need to get you started.